Good morning students, welcome to today's online class. So today students, after learning the section formula, after we have learned the section formula, so today we will see how the section formula is used in solving the sums. Okay, so let us start exercise 7.2. 7.2, let us start students. 7.2. Okay, so number 1, let us see. Number 1, find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so that means suppose one point is there. -1, 7, this is point A. Another point is there, B. This is 4, -3, and find the coordinates of the point divided by joint points. Yes, so this is A, B, and this is E. Okay, so that this is 2 and this is 3. Understood? This point P, okay, one point is there -1, 7, the other point is there 4, -3. So this point I am considering to be A, this one I am considering to be E, this B, sorry, this point is A, -1, 7 and B, 4, -3. These two points are joined by this line segment AB, and P is a point which is dividing this line segment in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so we need to find the coordinates of the points, point P and P. We need to find the coordinates of the point P, that means the value of this x and y. So, okay, so let's A -1, 7 and B 4, -3 the points, and E divides EB in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, M is equal to N is equal to 2:3. Okay. Now we need to find out the coordinates of the point, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. So x coordinate of the point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So what is the value of m, students? The value of m is 2 and x2 is 4, value of n is 3 or directly you can write the coordinates of the point. Directly you can write the coordinates of the point are 1, 3. Okay. So students, according to the question, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, that means one point is there A -1, 7, another point is there B 4, -3. These two points are joined by this triangle AB. Okay, we are just giving the names. That means this point I am naming it as A and this point I am naming it as B. Okay, in between one point is there B. This point is dividing the full line in the ratio 2:3. In the ratio 2:3. Okay, so we need to find the coordinates of this point C. Okay, so let A -1, 7 B 4, -3 the points and P x y divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, what is the ratio? 2:3. Therefore, M is to L will become equal to 2:3. So now x coordinate of the point P. This is the point we know. We need the coordinates. We need the x and y, isn't it? This point P is x coordinate also we need. The point P is x coordinate also we need, and y coordinate also we will need. Okay. So x coordinate of the point P is equal to x coordinate of the point P is equal to mx2 plus lx1 by m plus n. So what is the value of m, students? The value of m is what? The value of m is 2. Just put here. The value of x2. So this one is considered to be x1 by 1, and this point is considered to be x2 by 2. Okay. mx2. See here. mx2. What is the value of x2? 4. Put here. And then n. What is the value of n? 3. And x1 is -1. So 2 4s are 8. 3 to -1 is -3. And m plus n is 2 plus 3. That is 5. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Cancellation will do. The answer is 1. And y coordinate of the point P is equal to, what will be the y coordinate? my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So what is the value of m, students? The value of m is what? 2. The value of y2 is -3. Put here -3. The value of n is 3, and the value of y1 is what? 7. Right here. 3 7 is 21. 2 to -6 -6. And m plus n is 2 plus 3, that is 5. 21 minus 6 will become 15. With 5 we cancel 3 times. So therefore the coordinates of the point are, what are the coordinates? The x coordinate, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 3. Okay. So I hope all of you understood the situation. Okay. This is how we will use the section formula. Okay. Suddenly you see, like I said yesterday, this is the location of one. This is the location of, suppose, one electric tower, and this is the location of another electric tower which are situated at a far off place. Both of them are at a large amount of distance. Okay, that means both the points A and B are separated by a large distance. Okay, so now the company is planning to install one more electric tower. The company is planning to install one more electric tower at this point P, such that AP is equal to such that AP is to PB must be 2:3. Just consider it that way. Okay, AP, this part, this distance is to this distance. Suppose this is 20 km. Suppose this AP is 20 km and PB is 30 km. So what is the ratio? 20:30. 2:3. Isn't it? Understood? So now they are planning to install one tower such that AP is to PB is equal to 2:3. Understood? So now what will be the coordinates? What will be the coordinates of this tower? At what point the tower must be installed? Okay. Okay. So then we will find the coordinates of this tower or the coordinates of this point with the help of this coordinate, and the section formula. Also the ratio must be there, 2:3. You can easily find out, and hence we can easily give the coordinates in this way. The tower will also be established at this point, and that will be of immense use to the company. You understand? Practically, this is how it is. This formula is very, very useful. Okay. So let us see another situation, students. Number 4. Okay. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Okay, so one point is there minus 3 comma 10. Let us consider this point to be A. Okay, B. For each and every sum of these, you don't need to draw the diagram. Okay, I am just giving the diagrams to make you understand the topic or the sum properly. Okay, that's why I am explaining this with the help of diagram. These diagrams are not essential for your when you do these sums. Okay, but because you are learning these things very newly, so I hope so I thought that if I do this, if I explain these things with the help of diagram, it will be very useful to you. Okay, that's why. So one point is minus 3 comma 10, so I am considering to be A. The other point is 6 comma minus 8, so I am considering to be B. And one point is in between, that is supposed to be this is minus 1 comma 6. Now the coordinates of this point P is given to us. Now we need to find the ratio. This ratio M is to N. This time in the last sum, the ratio was given. Just recall it. Okay, just see the last sum. There the ratio is given, and we need to find the coordinates of this point P. Here the coordinates of this point P is given, but we need to find the ratio. Okay, so let A minus 3 comma 10 and B 6 comma minus 8 give the points, and divides AB in the ratio M is to N. Okay, so we need to find out M is to N. So let us see, students. X coordinate of the point P is equal to minus 1, isn't it? So X coordinate formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n is equal to minus 1. Now what is the value of m, students? What is the value of m? M is not given to us. So let it be. What is the value of x2? What is the value of x2? 6. This is x1 by 1 and this is x2. Okay, so mx2, so right here 6 and into what is the value of x1? Minus 3 m plus n is equal to minus 1. So now 6m minus 3n is equal to minus 1 into m plus n. So 6m minus 3n minus m minus n, 6m plus m minus n plus 3n, 7m is equal to 2n, m by n is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. Understood? So let us see, students. So x coordinate of the point P, x coordinate of the point P is equal to how much? X coordinate of the point P is how much? Minus 1, isn't it? X coordinate of the point P is minus 1. So what is the section formula for only the x coordinate? Only the x coordinate. What is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. We got this, isn't it? We have already used this formula, and we also have used it in the last sum. So mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Just put the formula for the x coordinate of this point P. Okay, the point, this is the x coordinate of the point which divides the line segment in the ratio m is to n. Okay, so mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. What is the value of m? No need to put because m is to n. We need only, isn't it? What is the value of x2, students? What is the value of x2? 6. In place of x2 we put 6. What is the value of x1? Minus 3 and divided by m plus n. M plus n you just cross multiply. So m plus n if I cross multiply this side, 3n minus n will become 2n. So below here m is there, no, just cross multiply n and bring this side, so m by n is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. Is it okay? Next, let us see, students. Let us see number 9. Find the coordinates of the points. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A, B, A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Okay. So one point is A, students. One point is A. A minus 2, 2. Another point is B 2, 8. So one point is there A, okay, one point is there A minus 2, 2, another point is there B 2, 8, okay, and here you see in between 3 points are there C, D, E, okay. We need to find out the coordinates of the points C, D and E. C, D and E are the points which are dividing the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. See, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part, 4 equal parts, okay. So students, before we enter number 9, I want to discuss another formula with you all. Before we go to number 9, I want to discuss another formula that you must know. Okay, so write as a note. Let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 b2 points which are joined by line segment and xy B is midpoint. Therefore the coordinates, therefore m is to n is equal to 1 is to 1. Isn't it, students? If P is the midpoint, then m is to m into 1 is to 1. Therefore the coordinates of the point P are equal to mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n. Both are directly, okay? my2 plus my1 by m plus n. dot means multiplication. 1 into x2 is it? 1 into x2. Dot means multiplication. Okay. So next, I can write x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Therefore, the coordinates midpoint of a line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 are x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So see students, so here in place of m, so P is the midpoint, P is the midpoint of AB, okay. So P will divide AB in the ratio 1:1, so that means what, m square is equals to 1:1. So in place of m you put 1, in place of n also you put 1, here also in place of m you put 1, m you put 1, m plus n means 1 plus 1. So 1 into x2 will be x2, 1 into x1 will be x1. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. These are the coordinates of the midpoint. Coordinates of the midpoints. This is a very easy formula. Okay, to find out the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment. Okay, to find out the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment, whose midpoint of a line segment, whose one endpoint is x1, y1, and the other endpoint is x2, y2. You just need to add the two x coordinates, x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, to find out the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment, whose one endpoint is x1, y1, the other endpoint is x2, y2. That means this x here, no? X coordinate means the value of this x will be x1 plus x2 by 2. Just add the two x coordinates, x1 plus x2 by 2, and also add the two y coordinates, y1 plus y2 by 2. Very easy. The midpoint is given directly with this formula. Okay, understood? Next, friends, next let us do number 9. Now we are ready for number 9. Okay, number 9. A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8. Okay, so let and C comma D and E, C comma D and E divides AB in the divides AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, AB into 4 equal parts. So therefore students, AD is to BD is equal to or the midpoint of AB. Therefore, T is the midpoint of AB, isn't it? Therefore, AB is to BD is equal to 1:1. Therefore, the coordinates of the point B are coordinate of point D are equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. See, minus 2 plus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 means 2 plus 8 by 2. So that will be equal to students 0 by 2 and by 2. That is equal to 0, 5. Again, so this coordinate is got 0, 5. Okay, again C is the midpoint. C is the midpoint of AD. Therefore, AC is to 1:1. Therefore, the coordinates of the point C are is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So minus 2 plus 0 by 2, again 2 plus 5 by 2. So that will be equal to minus 2 by 2, comma 7 by 2, equal to minus 1 or 7 by 2. Minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Coordinate of the point C. And now we need the coordinates of the point E. Also, E is the midpoint of BD. Therefore, the coordinates of the point E are equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So 0 by 2 by 2, comma 5 plus 8 by 2 equal to 2 by 2, 13 by 2, 1 comma 2. Okay, this point coordinates are 1 comma 13 by 2. Okay, so therefore at last you will write students. Therefore, the coordinates of the points Okay. So students, let us see the sum. So 2 points are given to you. So 2 points are given to you. One is A minus 2, and the other one is B 2, 8. Okay. One is A minus 2, 2, and the other one is B 2, 8. And these 2 points are joined by this line segment AB. And 3 points are there, C, D, and E. C, D, and E are cutting AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, so we need to find the coordinates of the point C, D, and E. So one important thing that you must realize here is that these all are equal parts, isn't it? These all parts are equal. These all are equal parts. So can I consider D to be the midpoint of AB? See, before D, how many parts are there? 1, 2. Before D, just count before D. Before D, how many parts are there? 1 part and 2 parts. 1 plus 1, 2 parts. After D also 1 plus 1, 2. So before D also equal 2 parts, and after D also 2 parts. That means D is the midpoint of AB, isn't it? So if D is the midpoint of AB, then we will apply the midpoint formula just in the last few minutes before the formula that I gave before. Okay. So since therefore D is the midpoint of AB, then AD is to DB. AD is to DB will be what? 1 is to 1, no? So here are 2 parts. So AD is to DB. 2 is to 2. 2 by 2. Cancel. So that will be 1 is to 1. No? AD is 2 parts. See here. AD is 2 parts and DB is also 2 parts, isn't it? AD is also 2 parts and DB is also 2 parts. So 2 by 2 means what? After cancellation it will become 1 is to 1. So that means AD is to DB is equals to 1 is to 1. Now the coordinates of the point D are, okay, if it is a midpoint, then the ratio will be what? 1 is to 1. So directly we will apply the midpoint formula. Okay. So x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Directly midpoint formula. We will not take the section formula. If we will not take the section formula, if it is given to us that it is the midpoint of the line segment. So x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1, what is the value of x1, students? What is the value of x1 here? Minus 2 put here. What is the value of x2? 2. See here. The value of x1 is minus 2 and the value of x2 is what? 2. The value of y1 is what? 2 and the value of y2 is 8. So minus 2 plus 2 will become what? See here. x1, this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Okay. So x1 plus x2 minus 2 plus 2. y1 plus y2 2 plus 8. So 2 minus 2 will be 0. 0 by 2 is what? 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. Divided by 2 5. 0.5. Again C is the midpoint. See here. Again now we got the coordinates of the point D. The coordinates of the point D are, see, we got the coordinates of the point D. The coordinates of the point D are 0.5, isn't it? We got the coordinates of the point D. Now you see, C is the midpoint of AD or not? You see, C is the midpoint of AD because before C also 1 part, after C also 1 part. So C is the midpoint of AD. See, this AD now, C is the midpoint. We can consider now. Now AC is to CD will be what? 1 is to 1. Therefore the coordinates of the point C are once again midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This one you consider the x1 by 1. This point you consider the x2 by 2. Okay, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Absolutely very easy. Okay, too much easy. So x1, what is the value of x1, students? The value of x1 is minus 2 and the value of x2 is 0. So minus 2 plus 0 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 2 plus 5 by 2. So minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2. So cancellation you do, it will become minus 1 and 2 plus 5 is how much? 7 by 2. Isn't it? Next you see, again E is also the midpoint of DB, isn't it? E is also the midpoint of DB because before E also 1 part, after E also 1 part is there. Also E is the midpoint of DB, therefore the coordinates of the point E are x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now you will consider this one as x1 by 1 and this one as x2 by 2. Just put the values. x1 plus x2 0 plus 2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 5 plus 8 by 2. So 0 plus 2 will be 2. 2 by 2 means what? 1. And 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 by 2. Did you get the answer? Is it okay? So this is how this sum can be done in a very easy way. Okay. Okay. So then, students, the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. 3 points. These 3 points will divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. The coordinates of the points are, the coordinates of the point C will be minus 1, 7 by 2. Of the point D will be 0, 5. Of the point E will be 1, 13 by 2. Is it okay? Thank you.